Today we will study the first chapter of physics, motion and time. What is motion? Motion means movement. When an object changes its position with respect to its surrounding, then the object is said to be in motion. Motion means basically when body is moving, when body changing its position with respect to its surrounding. For example, a car. When a car moves, it changes its position from one place to another with respect to its surrounding, and that called as motion. Whether the motion is fast or it is slow, let's study how we find out it. Whether the objects are in fast motion or slow motion, it depends upon the speed of their motion. So the body is in fast motion or it is in slow motion, it depends upon the speed. What is speed and how we calculate it? Speed, the distance covered by an object in unit time, it's called its speed. Speed means the distance a body is covering in unit time, that is called speed. The expression for speed is distance upon time. The SI unit of distance is meter and symbol for meter is small m. The SI unit of time is second. Symbol for second is small s. So the SI unit of speed is meter per second, meter slash second. The slash means per. Now let's see how we use this formula for finding the speed. In a 200-meter race, an athlete takes 40 seconds to run distance. Find his speed. Whenever you solve the numerical, first write the given data. Here two things are given. One is distance, another one is time. And how you have find out that which one is distance and which one is time is just observe the units. This is small m and it is the unit of distance, and it is small s and it is the unit of time. So write the given data. Given distance traveled 200 meter, time taken 40 seconds. Write the formula. Speed equals to distance upon a time. Put the values. Distance equals to 200 meter, time taken 40 seconds. Solve it and we got the answer 5 meter per second. This is how we calculate the speed of an object or a body. Speed is also measured in kilometer per hour. This is the another unit of speed. If someone asked you SI unit, then you will say meter per second. A car traveled a distance of 480 km in 8 hours and a train covered a distance of 1200 km in 10 hours. Which out of the two traveled faster, a car or train? As we discussed earlier that speed help out to find which object is in fast motion and which is in slow motion. So we utilize that over here in this question. So first of all, write the given data. Given distance traveled by a car 480 km, time taken by car is 8 hours. Distance traveled by train 1200 km and time taken by train is 10 hours. Write the formula. Speed equals to distance upon a time. Put the values. Speed of car 480 km and 8 hours. We got the answer 60 km per hour. Speed of train 1200 km and time is 10 hours. We got the answer 120 km per hour. Now compare the speed. So the train travels faster than car. This is how speed helps us to find out which body is in fast motion or which is in slow motion. The other topic is average speed. Average speed is the total distance covered divided by total time taken. Average means total. So over here in average speed, total distance is divided by the total time taken. Let's solve one numerical based on the average speed. A truck travels 60 km in first hour and 80 km in second hour. What is the average speed of truck? As I told you, average means is total. So you need to find out the total distance and total time taken. Write the given data first. Distance traveled in first hour 60 km. Distance traveled in second hour 80 km. Time taken to cover distance of 60 km 1 hour. Time taken to cover distance of 80 km equals to 1 hour. Write the formula of average speed. Total distance covered upon total time taken. Now find the total distance. Add both the distances, 60 km plus 80 km, 140 km. Now find the total time. Add both the times, 1 hour plus 1 hour, 2 hour. Put the values in the formula, 140 upon 2, and we got the answer 70 km per hour. This is how we find the average speed. Now there is one question. When we say a car is moving with a speed of 50 km in 1 hour, what does it mean? It means that the car will cover a distance of 50 km in 1 hour. 50 km 1 hour. It means that the body will cover this 50 km distance in 1 hour. Thank you, students.